Hello everybody, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. In today's episode, we have premium pure Kanjivaram silks in different design patterns and also in pure zari. Let us start our episode with this beautiful candy pink turning border silver zari saree with paisleys in the body and contrast navy blue pallu and blouse piece. That is the richly woven pallu in silver zari, and this is the body. It has got border only on the bottom part, leaving the top part plain. This saree is priced 11,900. Next is a lovely combination of methi green and peachish pink in the border. That is the pallu, and this is the border with beautiful motifs in golden zari and small minute booties on the body. The blouse piece is the folded part, and this is how the body of the saree looks like. Beautiful pastel shades, and this saree is priced 15,600. This is the open view. Next comes another golden combination with yellow and pastel metallic shade in the border. It has got golden zari checks pattern on the body, and silver zari comes in the border as well as the pallu. Very unique color combination and royal elegant piece. This is how the body looks like, with a medium sized border on either sides of the saree. This saree is priced at 14,500. Next comes another subtle pastel shades in light mint green, and Kora color comes in the pallu and borders. That is a steel grey also we can say, with the silver zari booties on the body. Golden zari comes in the pallu and the borders. This is the body of the saree. Very attractive, elegant combination. Nothing gaudy, but is very rich. This saree is priced 17,900. The folded part is the blouse piece in steel grey. Next is a temple style border with rich zari woven all over the body. This is the pallu and the blouse piece, and here is the temple border with alternate temples in golden and silver zari. That is the blouse piece, and let me show you the body of the saree. Very rich and grand in silver zari. This saree is priced 22,990. 2 grams pure silver used all over the saree. Next is another premium Kanjivaram with a pure gold zari 4 grams. Very attractive contrast combination with the big golden zari buttas on the body, very intricately woven, and broad Rettapettu style border comes on either sides of the saree. This is the body. Beautiful bright chilli red and navy blue combination. The saree is priced 28,900. Pure gold zari used. Next comes another soothing and pleasant combination in subtle colors. Light pink with grey in the pallu and the borders. Rich silver zari woven on either sides of the borders and pallu as well as the blouse piece. It has got golden zari buttas on the body. Let me show you. This is how the body looks like. Very pleasant combination with golden zari buttas on the body, priced at 18,500. This is the open view of the saree, folded part being the blouse piece. Next is a half and half style pure gold zari saree with the rich annam patterns woven in the border. That's the grand pallu, and here is the border with the annams woven richly, and here comes silver as well as golden zari buttas all over the saree. This is how the body of the saree looks like. And the saree is priced 20,900. Pure gold zari used. The folded part in the purple is the blouse piece. Next is another traditional authentic Kanjivaram Rettapettu style border in very attractive combinations of white and black contrast. Pure gold zari used, rudrakshams woven in the Rettapettu style with woven striped pattern on the body, that is the pallu, and here is the body of the saree. A classic elegant beauty priced at 18,990 with small temple sized border. Next comes another pure zari saree in rich bright contrast combination of orange and bottle green. This is the border, pavanchi border, and very richly woven all over the body, and this is the grand pallu. Very intricate weaving comes on the entire body in horizontal stripes pattern. The saree is priced 27,700. Pure gold zari used. Next comes dual tone, half and half style, pink and orange. Silver zari buttas of annams and rudraksha comes on the body, while rich golden zari is woven on the pallu. The folded part of orange is the blouse piece, and this is the body. Rich buttas comes towards the pallu part. The saree is priced 14,900. Pure gold zari used. Next comes subtle pastel shades in mint green, and light sapota color comes in the border as well as the pallu. Very elegant saree in Rettapettu style, authentic Kanjivaram weaving. All these sarees are directly from the weavers of Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. This saree is priced 21,900. Pure gold zari used. Next comes the last saree in today's episode in bright contrast combination, dark shade in the body and light peachish pink in the border. It's a baby pink, we can say, with the rich golden zari buttas all over the saree, and that is the blouse piece in pink and rich grand pallu. The entire saree has got golden buttas with a medium sized border. This saree is priced 18,990. Hope you liked our collection today. In order to book your favorite saree, please send us the screenshot to WhatsApp number 7010830303. We will be happy to assist you in placing the order after checking the availability. Thank you. See you all in our next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.